चीज़ें हमारे बस में नहीं होती। Few things are not in our control. Few things are not in our control. उसे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। He will have to work hard. He will have to work hard. उसे माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ेगी। He will have to say sorry. He will have to say sorry. मेरा एक काम करोगे? Would you do me a favor please? Would you do me a favor please? मैंने तुम्हारे साथ बहुत बुरा किया। I really did wrong to you. I really did wrong to you. आखिर चल क्या रहा है? What exactly is going on? What exactly is going on? उसने तुम्हें एक गिफ्ट भेजा है। He has sent you a gift. He has sent you a gift. किसी से कुछ मत मांगना। Don't ask for anything to anybody. Don't ask for anything to anybody. हम नाश्ता कर रहे हैं। We are taking breakfast. We are taking breakfast. वो नहा रहा है। He is taking a bath. He is taking a bath. ये शर्ट मैली है। This shirt is dirty. This shirt is dirty. ये शर्ट फटी हुई है। This shirt is torn. This shirt is torn. वो तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है। She looks like you. She looks like you. तुमने मुझे जगाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ। I'm asking you something. I'm asking you something. खेलते हुए मेरे पैर में चोट लग गई। I hurt my leg while playing. I hurt my leg while playing. मेरे पास 20 रुपए कम है। I'm short by 20 rupees. I'm short by 20 rupees. कितने दिन लगेंगे? How long will it take? How long will it take? अब आपके पिताजी कैसे हैं? How is your father now? How is your father now? वो अपनी इच्छाएं पूरी कर चुका है। He has fulfilled his desires. He has fulfilled his desires. वे बाजार जा रहे हैं। They are going to market. They are going to market. दरवाजे पे कौन खड़ा है? Who is standing at the door? Who is standing at the door? मैं आज ये पुस्तक पढ़ूंगा। I'll read this book today. I'll read this book today. मुझे आपसे इसकी उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect it from you. I didn't expect it from you. तुम्हारा चेहरा मुझे किसी की याद दिलाता है। Your face reminds me of someone. Your face reminds me of someone. क्या वहाँ जाना फ़ायदेमंद है? Is it worthwhile going there? Is it worthwhile going there? ये फ़ायदे का सौदा नहीं है। It's not worthwhile. It's not worthwhile. अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखें। Take care of your health. Take care of your health. Talk to yourself once a day, otherwise you might miss meeting an excellent person in this world. दिन में एक बार खुद से बात करें, अन्यथा आप इस दुनिया में एक उत्कृष्ट व्यक्ति से मिलने से चूक सकते हैं।